If Facebook Live didn't block one of your live streams yet, it's only a matter of time until it happens. Let me show you how to avoid this and a better alternative so you don't have to deal with copyright issues anymore while live streaming funerals and memorials. It's been a while since funeral homes started offering live streaming, and families are starting to request it when they need it. With some family and friends scattered around the country or even on different continents, Facebook Live seems to be an obvious choice. It's easy, it's free, and it works most of the time. If you had to live stream any event in the past, you might have noticed that Facebook Live is fairly straightforward. You can go live pretty much anywhere, and people with a Facebook account have no issues watching it in real time. The problem begins when you try to invite people who don't have a Facebook account or can go through the multiple steps required to join a private live stream that took you 2 hours to pull off. Don't get me wrong. Facebook Live works for people who need to share public events or stream something on social media without much thought. When it comes to funerals, the story is a bit different. Privacy is definitely an issue on Facebook, and unless you've been ignoring the news for the last 5 years, you already know that thousands of people decided to delete their Facebook accounts to protect their privacy. If none of this is an issue for you, then let's focus on the elephant in the room for anyone who tried live streaming on Facebook or even YouTube in the past. The moment you start playing any kind of music with copyright, your event will be blocked automatically. This isn't something you can avoid unless you have a total control over the event. Here's the thing with Facebook. When it comes to streaming funerals, you may not be able to control the music playing in the background. They use an algorithm that detects copyrighted music, and in most cases, your content gets taken down or blocked, making it impossible to continue the live stream. If you post copyrighted content that infringes copyright for a third time, prepare for the worst. Your Facebook page could get deleted, and you'll have to start from scratch. Now, let's talk about some solutions, or quick fixes as I'd like to call them. They'll help you do a live stream or two, but the only real improvement comes from the last tip. First, don't play any music, not even in the background. This is the safest way to prevent your video from being blocked. If that isn't an option, a good alternative is to only play music that you paid for, or to use royalty-free music, which can be somewhat hard to find. I'll share some links in the description for services you can use on your own live stream. Third, when music is being played during the event, mute your own phone or tablet. This isn't easy to do in most cases as microphones work automatically, but you can connect a microphone to your headphones and silence them. The last and probably best option is to stay away from Facebook Live and use a platform that allows you to stream without all these issues. Since YouTube isn't any better than Facebook Live when it comes to copyright, the smarter choice is to use a platform designed for live streaming private events, like EventLive. If you're not familiar with it, EventLive is an easy-to-use app that works on any smartphone or tablet. It offers a clean viewing page for family and friends who join to watch, and a smooth process for everyone involved. Schedule events takes seconds, and it allows you to include your own website and branding on it if you wanted to. The downside of using a premium alternative like this one is that it isn't free. It's very affordable, starting at $25 and $50 per event. But this option comes with a lot of premium features that you wouldn't find on free social media platforms. It saves the video automatically on your device and allows people to watch a replay for a full year. It includes extras such as virtual guest book and automatic notifications to the guests. The family receives a customized live stream with their own link and a photo of the deceased. If you're hosting the live stream, an app like this allows you to pause and resume the service to continue at a different location. It's easy to use for you and the guests. In conclusion, if you're live streaming a funeral, you can make sure that music you play won't cause Facebook to block your video or choose a smarter alternative to fix this problem once and for all. I've recorded another video about how to live stream funerals step by step, which you can watch here. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.